Hello everyone. Today we are going to start the first chapter from civics, that is citizenship, and about the meaning and importance of citizenship, as well as we will learn about the features of citizenship, and we will know about the methods of acquiring citizenship and methods to losing citizenship. First we will deal with the meaning and importance of citizenship. The system which enable every individual to lead a better life is called nation. A citizen is a responsible member of the nation. Every person who has citizenship is entitled for rights given by the nation. It means they have rights such as minimum living standard, education, health, social security, and other rights. When you are the citizen of the country, that time you are getting all the facilities like your living standard, education, health, as well as the social security and other rights are entitled to the citizens. The citizens will have close relationship with the nation. There is no provision to acquire citizenship of more than one nation at a time. This is the meaning of citizenship. Next we will see the importance. The first thing here, the citizenship is necessary in the nation where one lives to live with dignity, to participate in the nation's administration, to lead a better life, and to establish convenient administrative setup. The citizenship is more important from the perspective of nation's integrity and unity. Firstly, it is important to give a basic right to live with dignity, and when you are having that citizenship, the people can directly participate in the administration and they can lead a better life. Next we will see about the features of citizenship or characteristic. An individual identifies himself as a citizen of a nation of a particular country through his citizenship, and citizenship can enjoy all the rights given by the nation. Again, the citizens could discharge his duties fixed by the nation. Citizenship binds citizens to live in accordance with the laws of the land. Citizens get power to hold position from the highest to least. Foreigners are deprived of political rights. These are the characteristics of citizenship. Now next we will see what are the methods of acquiring citizenship. Here four major methods are there. Firstly, it is by birth, by inheritance, by registration, and by incorporation. These are the four methods. Now we will see about them in one by one. Citizens can acquire the citizenship of a nation through the following methods. First one is here, by birth. Any person who take birth in any country, she acquired the citizenship of that country naturally, without considering the nationality of her parents. The citizenship is granted. When you are born in a particular country, that time you are considering as a citizen of this country itself. Therefore, birth is an important factor in getting citizenship of a country. For example, the people who born in India after 26 January 1950 and become the citizens of India. The reason being was that free India enforced its own constitution. Here in by birth, just it is very simple. When you are born in a particular country, that time you are considering as a citizenship of our nation. Like example has given, those who are born after 26 January 1950, they are considering the citizens of India. The second method here, by inheritance. In this method, an individual gets the citizenship on the basis of the nationality of his or her parents. Here in the second method, if your parents are the citizens of that country, you are also getting, like here example has given, those who are born after 26 January 1950 to Indian families staying outside our country can get the citizenship of India. This is the second method. Now the third method, by registration. Citizenship of any country can be taken by way of submission of a prescribed application form to the concerned office. Every nation imposes certain conditions for submission of application by an individual. For example, those who are residing in India for minimum of 5 years can get citizenship by way of registration. Here in this method, you have to do registration with the application form in a prescribed office, and certain conditions are there. After that, you can get the citizenship in third method. Now the fourth method here, by incorporation. By incorporation of one country geographically with another, the citizens of the incorporated country can be acquired. Generally, a country gets incorporated by way of war or voluntarily with any other. even when on such occasions the citizenship of the country to which incorporated is given. After the war or voluntarily other countries joining here in this method, you can get the citizenship. These are the 4 methods to acquire or to get citizenship. Now next we will see what are the methods to lose citizenship here. Also methods are here. First we will see by renunciation. 3 methods are there. First method by renunciation, by termination and by deprivation. We will see about them here now. The first method here by renunciation. Any Indian citizen in event of getting citizenship of another country can voluntarily renounce the citizenship of India by declaration through an application form to the registration office. Here if you are want to become or you are getting the citizenship of another country, that time with the by giving application form voluntarily you can renounce the citizenship. That is the first method. Now here the second method by termination. Any citizen of India in the event of securing the citizenship of other country, his citizenship of India will be cancelled legally without accepting his application form from registration. Okay, that is termination. Next here by deprivation. Any individual in the event of securing the citizenship of India unlawfully or found engaged in anti-national activities. Anti-national means against the national interest. That is considered as anti-national activities or insubordinate behavior before the Indian constitution, their citizenship can be cancelled. Here in the third method, forcefully, this is a forceful deprivation. If you are not having the following the laws and unlawfully you are engaging and you are engaging in anti-national activities, that time the citizenship can be deprived. These are the 3 methods by which one can lose the citizenship. Here with this we have completed meaning, importance as well as methods to acquire citizenship and methods to lose citizenship. Hope it is clear for you. If you are having any doubt, you can ask in the comment section. Thank you.